This Australian assembled Dart, yes, the Dart, was manufactured in 1960 and stands as one of only 700 ever produced. Paired to a 4-speed manual gearbox, the Goggomobil is fitted with a 300cc 2-cylinder engine. The Goggomobil Dart was manufactured between 1959 through to September 1961. This microcar was developed in Australia by a Sydney company, Buckle Motors Proprietary Limited, by Bill Buckle himself, and was based off the chassis and mechanical components of the German Goggomobil. The Australian Dart series featured a Fibreglass 2-seater open body and came in weighing 345 kilograms. The Australian release was offered in either a 300cc or 400cc engine, and most of these cars were built without doors.